Hi everybody, this is Jerry Keysweater from Holly Kia TV. We have been getting a lot of new Kia Seltos in, and every time a car comes in, I see how much work goes into wrapping them in protective film and plastic during the shipping process, and I always thought that it would be neat to show everybody just how much work goes into that and how much work goes into unwrapping these cars. So what I want to do for you today is present sort of a little unboxing video of the 2021 Kia Seltos. So let's dig right into it and start unwrapping. Well, there you have it, folks. We have unwrapped the 2021 Kia Seltos S. I hope you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun taking all of the wrapping paper off of this car. I'm sure we missed a few pieces of plastic, but we'll get them. And we would love to have you subscribe to the Holly Kia TV YouTube channel. So please click that subscribe button. We'll see you next video.